Hey guys, Alan with Old Grump's Garage. Gonna replace a inductive charger in a 2018 Tahoe. If you have an issue with your phone's not charging, inductive charger replacement seems to be pretty simple. Little backstory, 2017 and back, the chargers didn't support Q1 charging, which is what Samsung S9s and above use, as well as most of the iPhones. So if you have a problem with the little charger right there, it doesn't seem to be charging your phone, it's replaceable, and that's what we're going to do now. So the first thing we got to do is take this interior piece apart. So we're going to remove it by doing a little prying. It just snaps in. And it snaps in pretty good too. When all else failed, a bigger screwdriver always works. Boy, so those are some good snaps, folks. If you ever worry about it coming unsnapped, I think it's in pretty secure. I can hear them beginning to disengage. That one's loose. There we go. Got that one. Okay. We'll go down the other side. Just about the time you think you're going to break it, you're actually unlatching it. We still got one up there in the center that's holding on for dear life. That would be correct. Bigger screwdriver again. There we go. Alright, who's not giving up here? Alright, so a little brute force with the prying, and the big screwdriver always works. This is the actual inductive charger that we're replacing, and you will see it's held in by a couple Torx. So we get our handy Torx drivers out and play my favorite game, match the bit to the Torx. There we go. Second try, that's pretty good. Might better go out and buy the lottery ticket tonight if that's the case. But that one. Make sure you put those Torx screws down in a convenient location where they will fall and you won't find them, because that makes it way more exciting. I'd say that one was put in with a power bit. connector down here at the bottom that unlocks. And then should pull just oh, there we go. So there is the old unit out. Kudos to GM for the well-packed device here. Nice and neat. Alrighty, and now all you have to do is reattach all those little snugs and apparoolies with a good rap a tap tap and a good squash. And there we go. So crank her up. Lay the phone on the charger. Boom, we're charging. Success at last. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, and click that little bell down there and you'll get a notification the next time we post a video.